Hi everybody, this is foXnoMad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you what the hell is in a GoPro box. So I don't know about you, but if you've been shopping around for a GoPro, you always see the GoPro here, you always see it in this packaging. So you've got the GoPro up top and you can see that clearly, but you don't really know what's on the inside. I know that sounds a little bit stupid, but let me explain. So if you go online, if you go to GoPro's website or you go to Amazon or B&H or wherever you buy photo gear, you'll notice that there are a couple different kits for GoPro. So they come with a whole bunch of different accessories. You don't know what the accessories are if you don't use a GoPro already. They're not very intuitive, so it's hard to figure out what all those accessories are, let alone what comes in the box. So if you go to GoPro's website, for example, you can see these different kits. So they come with a whole bunch of different accessories in the box, and it's really hard to find out what is actually in them. Now the GoPro Hero 7 Black just went on sale, so it's $70 off. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, but if you normally order from one of the other online stores, if you go to GoPro.com right now, this is not an ad, I'm just letting you know, they dropped the price on the GoPro about $70, and it comes with a 64GB micro SD card, plus a couple of other accessories as well. So it's a really good deal right now, and that's most likely because the GoPro 8 is probably coming out pretty soon. GoPro tends to release new products around September every year. So right now the Hero Black is a great deal, but you got to find out what you're going to get. So when you get a GoPro, you know you're going to need a whole bunch of different accessories depending on what you're going to do. A couple of different mounts. So if you want to mount that on your chest, on your head, and so on. So let's just see what is in this box so you can figure out what you get when you pay that $300 for this GoPro in the standard configuration, and what other accessories you might want to get depending on your travel style and the activities you plan on doing with your GoPro. Alright, so this is the basic package. Comes like this, and they hide everything under this sort of cardboard area, which looks great, but it's sort of annoying. So let's see what comes in there, because I don't really even know either. I don't know what mounts I want. I've got a couple of video ideas, so I know what I'm going to be doing in the countries that I'm going to be visiting up next, but I don't know the exact mounts I need because I don't know what's in this box already. I think this is the best way that's gonna happen. So there you go. Alright, so got the GoPro there. Looks like everything, but the mystery is actually in here. Now you'll see, and it's pretty easy to see when you get this, that it does have this mount already. So you do get this sort of basic first mount with the GoPro. No idea how to take it off. Let me open the box and find out. Alright, so getting this thing off the top first. I have no idea how to do that. I think this video just might be me being an idiot trying to open. Aha. So the way you do it is you lift up, sort of lift this little panel up there. If you can see that, you lift that up. Then you can so when you lift that thing up, sort of squeeze these two little plastic things, and then you push it forward, so then the GoPro pops right off. Haha, sweet. So this top thing right here, it's just for the display purposes. There's nothing in it. And then if you open the box, you've got this little panel where your accessories are. I'm going to take a look at those in a second, but I wanted to show you what kind of mount this comes with. So like I said, it has this plastic rubber little extender, or it prevents you from basically unclipping this unintentionally. So if you've got a chest mount, for example, the way to get it on and off is to hold these clips down. But if you don't want to accidentally, obviously you don't want to accidentally do that when you're skiing or whatever, they put this little rubber sort of holder here, which is going to help protect you from accidentally squeezing those little plastic, whatever they're called. Basically, you got the little mount. So it does come with the little mount. I've seen a lot of people sort of asking, sort of wondering if it comes with that on a lot of the forums. So when you buy a GoPro, it does come with this little filter on the front also. So that's a lens protector right here. And pretty nice, and it's got some weight to it. But you know, this is about a year-old GoPro. New one is coming out, so it's a good time to get the deal on this one, because generally when the new GoPros come out, these go from, the newest GoPros go from $399 down to $299. This right now is $329 with a memory card and a couple of other accessories, straps, case, that kind of stuff. So it's a really good deal right now. So there you go, you've got it. You've got your lens protector, you've got the camera, you've got this little mount that you can use to mount it to a whole bunch of different stuff. And you've got the clip where you can use it for, I know, the head strap and the chest strap. And then this goes right back in. So no surprises there, because that was right on the front of the box in clear plastic. And you also have this little screw that you've noticed, if you've been, you know, looking for GoPros at all, you notice that it always has this sort of 3-screw little system, or actually 2 plastic prong mount. So it comes with that, and then that basically is just GoPro's way of sort of showing you how to, or just their way of kind of making this universally sort of connectable to all their other stuff. Take that off, put that back, and then this is the basic screw. So, you know, I mean, for me, when I see these online, it's really complicated to figure out what the heck all of those little connectors are when you see them without them in use. So if you go to GoPro's website, or if you go to a lot of like photo gear websites, you'll see all these accessories just sort of strewn out like that without any kind of, you know, without any kind of context. So you see these and you don't know how they're going to be used. You know, sometimes I don't know what my blooper is going to be, but sometimes it just screams at me, which is, I can't figure out how to screw this in. I can't, maybe I'm an idiot, but I can't be the only one who's, so there you go, that's that. That back there. All right, so now the accessories that it comes with. Obviously, you've got the charging cable, which is USB-C, so that comes with that. Then you've got this little clip, and it's got a sticky on the back, so I guess you can use this to stick it to stuff. So you can use this to mount it to, let's say, your backpack or your helmet, or along those lines. So if you're going to permanently mount your GoPro somewhere, this is going to allow you to do that. Looks like it's a one-time sort of stick thing. So one time, put this on your bike helmet or maybe your car dashboard or whatever, and then you can always just sort of clip the GoPro in like that. So you basically lift the little rubber thing up and you can put it down, it will secure it. So now you've got it, so you can mount it on your, you know, if you've got a shoulder harness or, you know, whatever, you can mount it like that. So then again, to take this off, you lift up the little rubber tab, lift that up, squeeze both sides, and then push the GoPro forward, and then it comes out. So there you go. And then it comes with a battery. So that's basically it. So it doesn't come with an extra battery, it just comes with one battery for the GoPro itself. So it's pretty minimal, even though they've got this great box. So they've got this nice tall box, nice tall packaging to display everything. And then I'm just noticing on the back, it shows you how to unclip this GoPro from the package, which I had trouble figuring out earlier. So there you go for that. So the box actually looks a lot bigger than all the stuff it actually contains, which is the confusing part. So if you see this online like I did, you're gonna think it's gonna have a whole bunch of accessories, it's gonna have all these things, there are different kits and configurations. But if you get the basic configuration, you're pretty much just gonna get the GoPro, the mount, a lens cap, you're gonna get this one helmet mount, you're gonna get a charging cable and the battery, and that's about it. Like I said, they're doing a discount right now, so these are on sale for about $70 off. And additionally to that, they've got the 64 gigabyte, they've got the memory card as well, and a small little carrying case you can get too. There are a couple of different configurations for the accessories that come with the discount with the sale, but that's going to be a pretty good deal because it comes with a memory card, and then the GoPro is about $100 off. So I hope this video helps some of you. It might seem a little bit silly, but this has been driving me crazy because I know I've wanted to update my action camera. I've got a couple of trips coming up where I know I have some ideas of what I want to video, and I'm gonna need an action camera for them, and I'm gonna need a whole bunch of different mounts, but I wasn't quite sure what the best minimalist sort of mount setup would be. So I want to get the least amount of gear I can to shoot and do the things I want to do, but I also need to figure out what the GoPro came with so that I would not order everything at once and then have to exchange or send things back, which can be a really big pain in the butt, especially if you've got a trip coming up and you're kind of maybe a little bit of a last minute planner like I am and you don't have a lot of time to do a lot of returns. You want to make sure you get it right on the first time. So there you go. That's what comes in the standard GoPro box, which is not a lot. So let me know if you've had this question too in the comments below, and while you're down there, hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll have new videos for you every week, and I've got a couple of interesting places I'm going where I can use this in some very, I think, unique ways. So you want to subscribe so you don't miss those videos. Thanks very much again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. All right, so maybe we should turn the GoPro on. I don't know. Hopefully I turned the microphone of the camera on. You know, it's always something that I worry about, because now I got this new deity microphone, which you have to turn on before using, which is great. And I almost always remember to turn it on, but there have been more than a few times where I have spoken for 30, 45 minutes, a long time, and I've just, yeah, I forgot that. So it's exciting. So how the heck does this? That seems right. That seems like, nope. Nope, that is not how you put the battery in there. Maybe it goes in like this. Come on, GoPro. Nope, definitely doesn't go in like that. It definitely goes in like that. So what the heck am I doing wrong? Ah, there we go. What the heck? For all of you who like this noise, let me get up to the microphones right up there. That's for you, ASMR people. Ooh, exciting. All right, so I can't wait to go test this out, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.